Good day everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can import your coordinates from a notepad with the beeline command. Like it will be, this is the last video I did on how you can import your coordinates and see the 4 coordinates. Now these 4 coordinates, now I'm going to import in the way that the line will be already drawn, so you can just check the how the line looks like. That's even you using your polyline to draw the line. Now let's move to the notepad here. So now you need to understand that AutoCAD use command. You command AutoCAD on what to do. Now you can see how what I inputted here. P-line. Then I need to come to the, I need to copy this first one so it will close. Copy, then let me go to the last one. Then so the, you know, let me just put it that way. Then now this is going to be a script file. You need to save it. It's a script file so that the command will show in the AutoCAD. Then let's save this file. Okay, now here we will do the scar. This is how it's supposed to be. Then let's say you can see beeline dot scar SCR. And now it's saved. Then we need to import the script here so that the line can be, then it can show us the line. You see right as your script, then go to the where you saved down your job. You can see it here. Okay, now you can press your enter. I think I'll still use that zoom in. Now you can see this is how the land is. I can even use to check the area of the land. So it's very simple and I think it saves time. That's the command you can use, so you can draw the line for you without you drawing it in the AutoCAD. So this is the command. This is the command here. See, just the command. Yeah, okay. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next one.